Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can block websites in Chrome. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So the first thing that you will need to do is let's check what website you want to ban. So if we go down and check all the list of website, let's say if I want to block coindesk.com. So all you have to do is click on this icon over here on the top right and go to extension and click on visit Chrome web store. Now here you can type block website, and then you can check this one, block site blocker and focus mode. So we'll click on it and we'll simply click on add to Chrome over here and add extension. Now as you can see, a new extension has been added and it has already opened. Now I will go ahead and block this website coindesk.com and click on add item. Now this website is blocked on Chrome. If we go and check this website and try to open it, so as you can see, it's showing a message now this site is blocked, so you can focus on your work. So this is how you can block different websites on Chrome. And in case if you still have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.